how to see your YouTube search history. So there's two things that we can do here. So the most common thing that we can do is go into YouTube and simply go into the magnifying glass at the top right hand corner, and this is going to show you all of your history. Now it's just going to show you more recent searches or more common searches, as you'll find that searches will just kind of be at the very top of this list depending on how many times you search it. If you don't think about this, what we can do is come back out of here, go to your use section at the bottom right hand corner, and then go to the gear icon at the top right corner. This also shows you your history as well. So once you're here, you want to go down to manage all history and wait for that to load up. You'll find at the very top it says history, controls, and interactions. You just want to stay at the history. And if you were to slowly scroll down, it's just going to show you what you're currently searching for or what you have searched for in a short time frame. It will show you today, and then it should change over to maybe the days before, but it's very simple to go through and find your history on